If you've noticed a black spot on your laptop screen, you might be wondering whether it's something you can fix yourself or whether the display needs to be replaced. The answer depends on what is actually causing the spot. A black mark can be a dead or stuck pixel, a damaged area of the LCD panel, pressure damage, a loose display connection, or even something as simple as dirt or a mark on the outside surface. In this video, I'll show you how to identify the type of black spot you have, what you can safely try at home, and when the problem means the screen itself needs professional repair or replacement. First, take a close look at the spot. Is it a tiny single dot, a small group of pixels, or a much larger dark area? This distinction is important. A single tiny black dot that stays in exactly the same place is often a dead pixel. If it is a larger, irregular black patch, especially one that looks like ink spreading underneath the glass, that is more likely to be physical damage to the LCD panel. Before doing anything else, clean the screen carefully. Turn the laptop off and disconnect the charger. Use a clean, soft microfiber cloth and gently wipe the display. If the manufacturer's instructions allow a slightly damp cloth, use only a small amount of suitable screen cleaning solution on the cloth rather than spraying liquid directly onto the screen. Never spray cleaner directly onto the display because liquid can run into the edges and damage internal components. After cleaning, turn the laptop back on and check whether the spot is still visible. Now, try a very simple test that can tell you whether the problem is related to Windows or the physical display. Restart the laptop and watch the screen while the computer is starting. Look for the manufacturer logo or the BIOS or UEFI screen before Windows loads. If the black spot is already visible during startup, that strongly suggests the issue is with the display hardware rather than a Windows setting or graphics driver. If the spot only appears after Windows starts, software or graphics-related causes become more plausible. You can also connect the laptop to an external monitor or television using HDMI, USB-C, or another supported video connection. If the external display looks completely normal while the laptop's internal display still has the black spot, that is a useful clue that the laptop's internal display or display connection is the problem. If the same black area appears on both screens, the problem may involve the graphics system or the image being generated by the computer rather than only the laptop panel. If the spot is a single tiny black dot, check whether it changes color. A dead pixel normally remains black because the pixel is no longer producing light. A stuck pixel may remain fixed on one color, such as red, green, blue, white, or black. These are different problems, although they both can look like small pixel defects. There are websites and software tools that rapidly change the colors displayed on your screen. These can help you identify stuck pixels by displaying solid red, green, blue, white, and black backgrounds. You can also create simple full-screen color images yourself. The idea is to look at the same location on several different colors and see whether the pixel remains completely black or changes appearance. If you discover that it is a single dead pixel, there is usually no safe software setting that can permanently repair the underlying hardware. Be very careful with advice telling you to press hard on the screen or massage the pixel. LCD panels are delicate, and applying pressure can turn a tiny pixel defect into a much larger damaged area. You can make the problem significantly worse by pressing on the panel. You may also find online recommendations for rapidly flashing colors in an attempt to revive a stuck pixel. These methods sometimes get recommended for stuck pixels, but they are not a guaranteed solution, and they will not repair physical damage to an LCD panel. If you want to try a pixel refreshing tool, use it cautiously and stop if the screen becomes hot, behaves unusually, or shows any other problem. Never leave a flashing screen running unattended for long periods. Now, if the black spot is larger than a single pixel, the situation is different. Look at the edges of the dark area. If the black region has an irregular shape, looks like a dark stain, or appears to be spreading, the LCD panel may have physical damage. This can happen after the laptop is dropped, squeezed inside a bag, hit by an object, or subjected to pressure when the lid is closed. Another common cause is pressure damage from an object between the keyboard and screen. For example, if a pen, USB device, headphones, or another object was left on the keyboard and the laptop lid was closed, the pressure can damage the display panel. The laptop may still work normally, but the affected area can appear as a black blotch, lines, or distorted colors. If you can see cracks in the display, or the black area looks like damaged liquid crystal material beneath the surface, there is generally no software fix. Changing Windows settings, reinstalling the graphics driver, or running a pixel repair video cannot physically repair a cracked or damaged LCD panel. In that situation, the practical solution is usually replacing the display panel. Before buying a replacement screen, find the exact laptop model and screen specifications. Laptop displays can differ in size, resolution, connector type, refresh rate, mounting brackets, and other characteristics. Two screens that look physically similar may not be compatible. The safest approach is to use the manufacturer's service documentation or identify the exact panel part number before purchasing a replacement. There is another possibility. The black spot may actually be caused by the display cable or connector. Inside a laptop, a cable runs from the motherboard to the display assembly through the hinge area. If the cable becomes damaged or its connection is loose, you can sometimes see flickering, lines, missing colors, intermittent black areas, or a display that changes when the lid is moved. A useful test is to very gently change the laptop lid angle while watching the screen. Don't bend the lid aggressively and don't press on the display. If the problem changes dramatically when the lid moves, that can point toward a cable or hinge-related issue. If the black spot stays exactly the same regardless of the lid position, physical panel damage or a dead pixel becomes more likely. If you're comfortable opening laptops, you might be able to inspect the display cable connection, but this is where you should be careful. Laptop manufacturers use different designs, and opening a display assembly can damage clips, cables, antennas, or the panel itself. If the laptop is still under warranty, opening it yourself may also affect warranty coverage depending on the manufacturer and the type of repair. Check the warranty and service instructions before opening the chassis. If the laptop has been dropped or the screen was physically hit, don't assume that only the black spot matters. Check the hinges, bezel, lid, and display frame for cracks or deformation. If the lid no longer opens smoothly or the display assembly is separating from the frame, stop using the laptop if opening or closing it could cause more damage. A damaged hinge can put additional stress on the display cable and panel. Now let's talk about software. If the black spot is actually an on-screen graphic, window, cursor artifact, or a small area that appears only in certain applications, update or reinstall the graphics driver using the laptop manufacturer's recommended driver. You can also restart Windows and test the display in safe mode. If the issue disappears in safe mode but returns during normal Windows operation, that gives you stronger evidence that software or a graphics driver is involved. You should also take a screenshot when the problem appears. Open the screenshot on another device or external monitor if possible. If the black spot appears in the screenshot itself, the problem may be generated by the graphics system or software. If the screenshot looks normal on another display while the physical laptop screen still shows the black spot, the internal display hardware is much more likely to be responsible. One particularly useful test is to open a completely white image or web page and then a completely black image. On a white background, dead pixels are usually easy to spot as tiny black dots. On a black background, look for areas that are brighter, colored, or otherwise different. Repeat the test with red, green, and blue backgrounds if you're checking for stuck pixels. If the black spot is actually a dead pixel, check your laptop manufacturer's pixel defect policy before deciding what to do. Some manufacturers have specific requirements about how many defective pixels must be present before a display qualifies for replacement. Policies can also depend on the type and location of the defect. If your laptop is new or still covered by warranty, take clear photos of the defect and contact the manufacturer or retailer rather than attempting a risky DIY repair. If the spot appeared suddenly without any obvious physical damage, it can still be a hardware failure. LCD panels and their components can develop defects over time. If the black area is growing, more pixels are failing, lines are appearing, or the display is flickering, it's a good idea to back up your important files and arrange a repair. If the laptop is otherwise working normally and the spot is tiny and stable, you may decide that replacement is not worth the cost. A single dead pixel can be annoying, but if it doesn't interfere with your work, you can continue using the laptop. If the damaged area is large, spreading, or making text and images difficult to see, replacing the screen is usually the more practical solution. And there's one final thing you should never do. Don't press hard on a black spot, don't hit the display, and don't use heat to try to repair it. Laptop LCD panels are extremely delicate. A method that sounds like a quick pixel fix can cause permanent damage to the panel or surrounding layers. So, to summarize the troubleshooting process naturally, start by cleaning the screen and checking whether the spot appears before Windows loads. Test the laptop with an external monitor, take a screenshot, and use solid color backgrounds to determine whether you're dealing with a dead pixel, stuck pixel, software artifact, cable issue, or physical screen damage. If it's a single dead pixel, there may be little you can do beyond checking warranty coverage. If it's a large black blotch or cracked area, the screen panel will most likely need replacement. And if the problem changes when you move the lid, the display cable or hinge area may need inspection. The most important thing is to identify the cause before spending money or opening the laptop. A black spot caused by Windows is very different from a physically damaged LCD panel, and the wrong repair attempt can make the situation worse. If this video helped you figure out what's causing the black spot on your laptop screen, give it a quick like and subscribe for more computer troubleshooting and repair tutorials. And if you're still not sure what type of screen problem you have, leave your laptop brand and exact model in the comments. Describe what the black spot looks like and mention whether it appears during startup. That information can make it much easier to narrow down the problem and find the right solution.